Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple process. If you understand the one thing, you can understood it. Simple.
सर मगध, सर जो मगध किंगडम था उसके पास तो गंगा रिवर थी ना?
गंगा रिवर था, उसमें एक बेसिकली मेन रिवर क्या है, उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरी है सोन रिवर, लिखा होगा आपको।
सर उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरी ना सोन है।
हाँ, तो वही ट्रिब्यूटरी है, तो गंगा भी कह सकते हैं, सोन भी कहते हैं। तो सोन क्या है, जिस बिकॉज ऑटोमेटिकली अर्लियर देयर वाज नो better means of irrigation, so this Son rivers or the Ganga river flow from these areas, and this make the kingdom fertile. And this, when this kingdom will become fertile, it means it's totally and totally depend on the production level. So if you have a bad production, good production, then you, on the basis of this, you can give the regular salary. Because if you keep the regular army, you have to give the regular salary. And if they have the regular army, they can expand, they can expand their empire in a vast way. And this, when this kingdom, listen, when this kingdom was powerful, he tried to annex, he will try to annex the another small kingdoms. And when this Magda kingdom annexed other kingdoms, annex माने किसको, अपने में मिलाता जाएगा. So day by day the Magda kingdom will become more and more powerful. Clear? It's totally depend on the regions. From one region, the many things are connected. Understood?
Yes.
So, if you have seen the some serials regarding the Chandragupta Maurya, so in which way the teacher of Chandragupta, who's known as Chanakya, he, by the efforts of the Chanakya, in which way he disrupted the large kingdom. This is the main theory. So why the earlier smaller kingdom were terrified with the Magda? Because Magda was a large kingdom, and on the basis of it, nobody tried to take or took war with this kingdom. If you see in this, if you see in this earlier, in the earlier context, even the Alexander not fought with this Magda kingdom, because you know the Magda kingdom was a large kingdom, and they have the large army. Clear? If any doubt, you can ask. A closer look about the Vaji. Now, talk on this Vaji. See this. While Magda became a powerful kingdom, Vaji, with its capital at Vaishali, Bihar, was under a different form of government known as Gana or Sangha. देखिए. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Students, any doubt?
No, sir.
Doubt नहीं तो बस एक paragraph.
No, sir. There is no doubt.
Now just we have to read only one paragraph, and the one paragraph is later the closer look of Vaji. So Vaji is a republic. Republic we have to understand in just a simple manner. In Hindi it is known as Ganatantra. So start with this republic. First of all is Vaji. Clear? So when we talk about the closer look, a closer look about Awaji, and this is a republic. And this one is republic. While Magda became a powerful kingdom, Vaji, which is capital of Vaishali, Bihar, known as different form of government, known as Gan or Sangha. We don't know about this. Earlier we discussed about the Magda. So when we talk about the Vaji, so Vaji is a republic, and it is earlier in Hindi known as Gan Sangha, which is later known as republic. So in this republic, the king can't take the decision by own self. Means they make a council, and in this council number of ministers, and after too much, we can say, interaction, they will find some final decision. They will come on a final decision. So at that time, where we talk about in a monarchical way, where the king was the supreme soul, here at that time also the some songs are also available, where no, we can say, uh, the common will of the people will goes on, कि अधिक से अधिक लोगों की राय उसमें मायने रखती थी. So you can clear. Sometimes even thousands of the men ruled together. One was known as Raja. These Rajas performed rituals together. They also met in assemblies and decided what had to be done. So means in that way, the king attend the meetings and the assemblies. So in this meeting and assemblies, the king also listened to the many person, and by the help of this, they can take a decision, or with the help of them. If they want to attack by an, they might discuss what should be done to meet the threat. However, women and dasas and kammakaras would not participate. So in these assemblies, the three peoples were not participate. This in dasa, then what? Women, dasas, women, and kammakaras. Dasa women and the kammakaras are not allowed. Kammakaras are not allowed in this meeting. Clear? They can't enter in this assemblies. So that's why both the Buddhas and Mahavira, about whom you will read in the next chapter, they belong, because when we read the next chapter regarding the Lord Mahavira and Buddha, they also from this Ganasangha or the Republic. Clear? For any thing, they have to take the permission from the assemblies. Then after they will do anything. Clear? Understood? So you will read this. So this lesson is going to be mostly completed,
Yes, sir.
because we have discussed all the things. If any doubt, you can ask tomorrow also. Thank you.
सर ये वज्जी जो था वो रिपब्लिक था, यानी कि वो डेमोक्रेटिक था.
हाँ, डेमोक्रेटिक कह सकते हैं. उस तरह का डेमोक्रेटिक नहीं था, लेकिन उसके काउंसिल से मिनिस्टर्स थे. जैसे कोई भी मान लीजिए अटैक आ गया, तो अटैक से कैसे निपटना है, और in which way they have to participate, in which manner they have to talk, in which manner they have to react it. And earlier the king take the own decision. So maybe it will take the large time taking process, because the king by the own self take the decisions.